So here we have a mixture of coconut water, pineapple and lime with a touch of ginger and maybe some milk. Hi guys, here we got a drink for you as well. Tell me how much.
That's good, thank you.
What's home?
Which one mine? You done sold my drink, y'all.
Atlanta.
Atlanta.
We made it.
Y'all, these welcome drinks, fire.
You're sick, right?
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
We on the way to our resort, or like our little villa, in our little shuttle cart. We just finished checking in. They love some ice.
It's really nice out here.
It is.
G.
It's a complimentary wine at our hotel. Cheers. I got red.
They got to be different and nasty and get Marlo.
Yeah, why not? Let me see.
I got Sauvignon Blanc. Mine good. And I don't even like wine.
Mine's good too.
No, it ain't. It's dry as hell.
It's not dry. It's not dry.
Y'all know a Merlot that ain't?
It's not dry.
I'm trying to try the rum punch, okay?
This nastier. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say that out loud.
Don't disrespect Sauvignon like that. That's actually good though. I ain't never had a Merlot that was good.
Talking smack. Now me talking smack.
Girl, that's alright. About a 2 out of 10.
It's good. It's not too dry as she was hoping. Ain't nothing dry over here.
I know that's right. It's all.
So, cheers, baby, one more time. This is my birthday. So, we just finished getting, we just finished eating some tacos. We just had our first pina colada. We recently just checked into our hotel. So next, or like our resort, like our villa, whatever spa. What is it called, babe? It's like a...
It's
what is it?
Spa resort. I don't know, but it's fire, y'all.
Yeah.
You gotta see the walk-in.
Yeah.
We gonna show inside of a spa.
Yes, we're gonna show our room. We're gonna get out of these clothes and change into like some more beachy vacation clothes because it's pretty warm. It's pretty hot.
We can't put that on, okay?
And we've been traveling, so I definitely want to get out these clothes and put on some more sexiness. So yeah.
Y'all, I've been in Honduras for 5 seconds and I'm already tan.
Yeah, baby looks so good. Mwah. I love you. All right, we have changed our outfit. We at Kayaking. Let me show you the name. We at Kayaking. Right now, we're finna just order some drinks, order some dinner. We out here. We are at the monkey sanctuary. We just came from back seeing some sloth. Shout out to our tour guide. What's your name, friend?
Edward.
Edward. He's awesome. Right now, we're gonna go see some parrots, do some little things with them, and see some more monkeys. Yes. Oh, he just dropping them.
You might get one a couple shades also, don't mix them.
Oh, he's gonna say so. Yo, look, it done flew on her head. It's two more. They finna come over here and fly on me. I'm scared. I knew that was gonna happen.
Baby, the way this bird on my mother head.
You is silly. They so heavy.
Ooh.
Why they so heavy?
That was just the weight on them.
As long as he ain't
Are you so stupid? You finna crawl over to your head.
no, the I didn't know he was gonna do that. Oh,
You got an espresso. What you got, baby?
I got a mimosa.
What
With
kind?
some love. A pineapple.
Cheers.
It's so cute. I want to drink it.
And it's made with real espresso. They have an espresso machine and got the beans. If you don't have the beans in my espresso, I don't want it. We just ordered some food.
Oh, this is a dry pineapple.
Like a flower. I ordered like a little hamburger, cheeseburger situation, and they fake healthy self ordered.
A chicken Caesar salad.
She's so fake healthy.
And real healthy. She's such a big bag, y'all. She get a burger everywhere we go.
I only had a burger once. I had a burger.
Baby, we just had a burger before we got on the plane. She forced me to eat a burger.
I didn't force. It
In
was the only,
Miami airport.
that was the only thing that was an option for us to eat. So I only had 3 hamburgers this entire relationship.
She a lot. We had one at Cookout.
Ew, that don't count. That don't count. I had one in Orlando. I had one yesterday at the airport.
And some at Cookout.
And I'm gonna eat one today. That'll be my last burger. Their menu was pretty skimp, little to nothing. And I need something that's gonna fulfill my belly, you know? I have alcohol beverages.
And she barely finishes.
I finished my food.
She be babysitting.
I don't know. And I finished my drink. I don't know what she be ever talking about. I finished my drink before her yesterday. She wasted a frozen margarita.
I don't know how they knew I wanted tahini in my room. I didn't say anything.
It only did one. It should have did both because we both ordered the same drink.
He goes like, I didn't know I wanted tahini because I didn't say tahini, sugar, salt, pepper. I ain't say anything. They got a pool table back there, but they don't want to get wood.
We can bust down the game of pool. We got our food, cheeseburger. They got a Caesar salad. It's so cute. We're gonna eat and then we're gonna start back playing our little pool game. We're gonna bust her.
She not.
We're gonna bust her in pool.
She barely about to make it in, y'all. Please watch.
She gonna get bussed.
People that talk the
She finna
most
get
don't be
buzzed.
doing nothing.
Oh, watch. Perfect salad. Who's too long in there? Which one is that? Me and Bay kayaking. We're here.
Finally got on one accord.
We're in the middle of the ocean. And it's peaceful. It's so peaceful. We just out here. You gonna paddle us? Come on. Where we going? Let me see you put that work in, girl. Oh shit. It's so beautiful out here.
It's better with 2 people. I think this is a 2 people effort. A 2-man effort.
You need my help, baby.
All right, now you can float.
We're gonna be doing jet skis next. I'm excited. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday. Happy
Birthday to you.
Thank you. Good morning. It's for real. Day 3. She don't know how to count, y'all. She gotta go back to grade school.
I'm weak.
We finna go do some yoga. We just got up, brushed our teeth, washed our face, put on some athletic wear. They got on her little 2-piece workout. I got on what I got on. Boom. That's all they gonna get from me today. Because I really forgot my workout outfit, but I just had to compromise and adjust. So this is what we're working with today. So we're finna go do some yoga. We just had some green smoothies. They brought us some green smoothies to start our day. So we're finna head to yoga.
That I have not queued, please go ahead and do that. So everybody has a block, 2 blocks and a strap. So keep these close to you and we can use these for support at any time. And then let's start by laying on the We have made it to breakfast. We just ordered some pancakes, bacon, eggs, and like a fruit bowl situation. We're at this place called Argentina Girl. We had walked up the shore from our resort. It was like a 5 to a 6-minute, 8-minute walk. It's really not that bad. Literally every place that we've been going to, besides the dinner last night at Luna Mona, we've been able to walk up the shore, so that's like really convenient. But it's very hot. It's very hot, but we just ordered, and we got some fresh pressed juice. They got, what kind of cranberry juice? I just got cranberry. They got some fresh cranberry juice. I ain't never had no fresh cranberry juice, but it's gonna be lit. And then I ordered pineapple juice. Fresh pineapple juice. But we plan on doing, it's a spa day, so we're gonna be at the spa today. We're gonna try to do snorkeling a little bit, and we can squeeze it in before our massage reservations. A little snorkeling, I gotta take some more photos. And I also gotta record a DJ mix too, so pretty full day before we leave tomorrow. I'm excited though. But we're gonna make it all happen. And then at the resort, the pool stay open for 24 hours. The beach, of course, 24 hours. So we'll definitely be outside at nighttime, our last night, having a lot of fun. Our food just came out. We finna eat. We got some pancakes, eggs, bacon, and some fresh fruit. And we got some pineapple mimosas. We got my bae over there.
Hey y'all, we back.
What's happening?
And we just came from the spa, y'all.
0 out of 10.
Yeah, 0. Okay, babe, 2 out of 10.
0 out of 10. The only thing that was good about the spa was the fact they had a cold plunge, a saltwater pool, a bubble jacuzzi pool. Thank you. And a hot tub.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pause, y'all. We got our drinks. I got a spicy macarita. Look at the jalapeno.
It's
With
spicy.
tahini. And they got her espresso. She been espressoing it up here, y'all, because they got a whole espresso machine. Y'all know how she feel about her espressos.
This is my last drink of 2025. This is a video for confirmation. This is a video for accountability and determination.
Cheers.
Mwah.
Let me taste it. Now this spicy, okay? This is how it's supposed to taste.
People say espresso martinis keep them up. It makes me sleepy. I don't know what it be. I control the liquor don't control me. I think that's what it be. But back to the spa.
Back to the spa, y'all. Amenities, 10 out of 10. Workers, they don't comprehend. Because
No,
this lady
for real.
booked us for a total of 4 massages, 2 a piece. But it was really just supposed to be 1 a piece.
One piece. And then this shit so expensive out here. Like the 2 services she was gonna ring us up for each individually would have been $400 plus. Right? First of all, we just came back from Thailand getting a 2-hour massage for $5. So like it be situations like that where your money don't even go as far as it should because the services that was provided was kind of mediocre. You know, they gave me a regular smuggler massage. It wasn't nothing spectacular about it. They didn't use no massage tools. They didn't fold my body how Thailand folded my body up. You feel me? Like,
They use tools on you? She used a tool on my face.
Yeah. On my leg. She using web tools.
I said here. They
Oh,
didn't
no.
use tools on your face?
Oh, only on the face.
Oh.
Yeah. To show her.
That
But-
chakra didn't chakra nothing. I ain't
So we
feeling
had
not nail chakra.
we had a chakra balance body treatment because Honduras is known for like its natural healings and like its rituals, you know. So we thought we was gonna get a chakra balance because like we into energy, we love energy, we love cleansing our body, our spirit, our mind, soul, the whole nine. And me, I really didn't feel nothing when I was getting the chakras applied on my body. I just feel like it was a waste of time. So 0 out of 10 for the service because I really just didn't like it. I feel like it was just mediocre. But the amenities was cool, like the aesthetics,
10 out of 10.
the lounge area. They had little snack bites. I had like some almonds and what else? Some almonds and cashews. I had some almonds and cashews. That was cool. That was really it. So right now, we refreshened up. We at Boss. We at Boss Cafe.
And they tell them what we came to get. Chicken salad.
A chicken salad. Cause at this point, bro, I'm tired of paying for stuff, man. Like we've been paying $100 plus, almost $200 for just 2 entrees, maybe a drink each. Like I said, we just came from Thailand. We had a whole fiesta for like 10 US with multiple drinks, multiple food items, everything, and this is not even worth it. Like we just paid $25 for 1 order of nachos.
Yeah, 27.
$27 for
Real
one
tacos in
order.
Atlanta? Whatever.
Hey, this is crazy. Like I don't even know. I really wanted to go to Vietnam, but my birthday month is like a crazy weather month, so I wasn't really trying to get caught up in like the typhoons and like weather situations out there. So we ended up coming out here, and it been cool.
Nah, I'm just playing.
It been cool.
It's cool, but they ain't never gotta see me.
It could have been a lot better for the prices. You know what I'm saying? Like when you travel, you always want to get your money worth, and right now I'm feeling like it's being overtaxed.
Y'all, we done paid about 3K
More than that.
plus. 3K plus for this trip. And we could have went up country.
We are, but for
I mean,
the like,
overseas
like
is what we
more,
usually
like,
do.
It's not the Caribbean, but it has literally everything like the Caribbean. Which is like Central America. I think maybe. So don't quote me, quote unquote. But you would have got more for our money in Brazil. Like I love Brazil and Colombia. I don't know what Honduras on. But all right, we is out of here. We just checked out of our resort villa. This is the end of my birthday trip. Thank you, Ben, so much for being here. Mwah. We had such a great time. Definitely would not come back, but you know, I love it. We had a great time while we made it here.
It was fun.
Made it last while we're here. So, from the head back to the airport, I think our shuttle, yeah, that's him. Our shuttle just arrived. So we finna be out of here. We see y'all next time.
Bye.